Hi, all. I hope you are doing well. I'm excited for us to get started next week in our honors seminar, the humanities version. So, you received an email from me. The voluntary session happens Monday, but if you can't make it, this should kind of explain things. The humanities course is tailored, and I guess so is the science, to kind of talk about the evolution of humans and our patterns in society. So we have a lot of readings that sort of dictate that. It's my first semester, so we'll be discovering it together. Eventually, there might be some other changes, but we kind of have to stick to the current curriculum. So the syllabus is here for you. Once it gets approved, you will see everything that you need to know. We have a website as well. And the website pretty much tells you everything that you might need to know, about the course, the policies, the grading, and all of that information. And Blackboard is kind of going to be your best friend in this course. The faculty information, I will be holding office hours every Monday from 9 o'clock to 9:50. And then this is how you email me. The book information is here as well. And then my office hours will be here virtually. If you wanted to come into Sugarcliff, you could do that as well, but please let me know beforehand. Your grades will be visible here, and then you will also have a list of help references to do for your weekly work. It'll be right here, and there's a theme each week. And you will kind of see the things that we need to do and about how long it should take you. So this will kind of guide you through it. We go to the Padlet. Hopefully make it easier than not. And you can see that I've started one for you, but it's really, really pretty easy to kind of navigate this. You would just go through and add this. You can do a picture, and of course through here you can add the video. If possible, I'd really like to see the video just so that we can have some sort of interactions. I think it's just a lot easier that way. So we are doing introductions. I'm asking you to just tell me a little bit about yourself, answering these questions. Look at the syllabus, and then there will be a quiz to take over the syllabus. You'll push begin, and you'll go through. It's really short. We also, for this week, will have a Mindset TED Talk that you can go ahead and watch, and then you will be answering these questions and submitting it to Blackboard. The attached files will be the rubric on how you will be graded. I think that is sort of it in a nutshell. Oh, excuse me. And then you have a survey that is in Google Forms that I would like for you to complete. So that is what's happening this week. All work will be due Friday at midnight, and that's Vincennes time, which is Eastern time. I will also be posting, part of this course is service learning. So there will be some opportunities specifically with United Way, the Day of Caring coming up, and I will share that with you. As always, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My cell phone is available to you. I encourage you to use it from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Sometimes we're able just to answer a question quickly. And then remember that you need to get a B in this course for it to add to your honors program. So I think that's it. I so look forward to working with you, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.